The Nothing Phone 3 is making headlines ahead of its official launch on July 1st, and the leaks have taken a bold turn. Android Headlines recently released renders that reveal a completely new design direction. While the transparent back remains, staying true to Nothing's identity, this version strips away the clean and symmetrical aesthetic of the first two models. Instead, what you see now feels intentionally raw and deconstructed, like the phone's inner mechanics are being put on unapologetic display. It's no longer just about minimalism or futuristic vibes. It's about showcasing complexity, inviting users to engage with the device on a more mechanical and visceral level. Another standout feature teased on their X account is a new 50-megapixel periscope camera lens, signaling a serious leap in imaging capabilities. While Nothing hasn't disclosed the exact zoom specs, the emphasis on telemacro functionality and impressive zoom implies a strong focus on creative users. Teaser images show off sample shots with remarkable detail from both distant and extremely close perspectives. This is a major upgrade, considering the Phone 2 lacked a telephoto option entirely, offering only wide and ultra-wide lenses. There's still no confirmation on whether the phone will use a triple-camera setup or if the periscope will replace the ultra-wide lens, but either way, it's a strategic enhancement in mobile photography. Co-founder Akis Evangelidis also shared design improvements via social media, revealing that the camera bump is now 74% smaller than the one seen on the 3A Pro. He highlighted support for 10-centimeter macro photography and shared community shot samples, referring to them as real-life Pokémons, due to their stunning clarity and detail. Beyond the camera, the Nothing Phone 3 also brings a revamped glyph system, now called the Glyph Matrix. While exact features remain under wraps, the visual shift in its position, now near the camera module, suggests more functional lighting feedback and deeper notification customization. The redesign seems focused on cleaner integration and more refined utility. On the hardware side, the device packs a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a full HD plus resolution and a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Battery life looks strong, with a 5,150 mAh cell, backed by 100-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. These numbers put it in a highly competitive position within its expected price segment. But it's the processor that sparked the most debate. Nothing has confirmed the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chip, not the 8 Gen 3 Elite many had hoped for. However, Carl Pei has expressed admiration for this chip, noting it represents a significant jump from the Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 found in the Phone 2. Based on data shared by Evangelidis, users can expect up to 49% better GPU performance compared to the previous chip and nearly 88% improvement over older generations. CPU improvements are pegged at 36%, with a 60% boost in machine learning capabilities via the MPU. These figures position the device as significantly faster and more capable than its predecessor, which aligns with the company's claim of delivering their first real flagship. With all these changes, the Nothing Phone 3 signals a confident break from the past. More daring design, a smarter glyph experience, and a chip choice that balances performance with cost. It won't appeal to everyone, but it's undeniably distinctive. As for pricing, official figures haven't been released yet, but expectations suggest it will fall in the 40,000 to 45,000 rupees range in India and around $500 to $550 globally.